This is my brother's 2012 R6. All we're going to be doing today is replacing the stock exhaust with an aftermarket exhaust. This is your standard stock exhaust. We're going to be replacing it with one of these, a Pipeworks slip-on exhaust. Temporary measures for now until we get a toast exhaust, but it will do the trick. First we're going to remove these 3 bolts on here just to get the heat shield off. Next we're going to take this valve off. All you have to do is undo 2 knots on each side and it will just clip off easy. Next we're going to take off these 2 bolts. There's one black one just here, same on the other side. It's to the servo motor. We're going to take the servo motor out to remove these cables that we took out from underneath off the valve. We're going to take off this nut here just to undo the bracket so that the wires are loose. Next we're going to pull out the servo motor so we can reach the cables inside. Just to remove the cable, pull this end out and it'll just come out. There you go. Cables are free and so is the servo motor. All we've got to do now is replace the servo motor and we can carry on doing the install for the exhaust. Once you plug the servo back in, just turn the bike on and make sure no other ignition lights or any other lights are on. So just have a little quick go on that. Alright, no lights are on. We're good to go. Now all we're going to do is reassemble the brake reservoir and put that back on. Okay, next we're going to stick the muffler on. What I do is, I got this paste from Acropovic when I fitted my exhaust on. All it is hardening paste, so put it inside there, that's where I put it, and I put it along there. So what it does is when it heats up, it hardens and it all gels together.